You don't need to be smart to be profitable in trading. I'm dead serious. I'm not the smartest trader out there. Actually, I'm a dumb trader. I don't use indicators, I don't care about the news, I trade one pair, one time frame, and one simple breakout setup. I sit in front of my laptop for 2 hours a day and I'm still making around $10,000 a month from trading. I'm not a genius. I'm just consistent with my dumb simple strategy, and to be honest, that's probably why I'm winning. When I first started, I thought I had to be a genius. I was over-analyzing everything. I trade all 3 sessions, news events, 12 indicators, Fibonacci, MACD, you name it. But I was just losing every single day. Until one day, I said, screw it. What if I just dumped everything down and focus on just one? I stopped trying to be a genius. I stopped trying to predict the market. I literally asked myself, what's the simplest and dumbest thing that I can do that still works? And that's when I started to make this shift. Now look, it didn't just magically happen. I didn't pull this strategy out of thin air. What I actually did was I started backtesting every single day, like 6 hours a day minimum. Just me, my laptop, and one chart. I wasn't jumping around different pairs or indicators. I picked one time frame, one pair, one session, and I just started backtesting blindly. Let's say I wanted to backtest gold for the week. I'll pick like 15-minute time frame during London session, and I just go through every single candle and ask myself, what kind of setup actually works here? And then here's the key. I'll adjust the strategy day by day. I'll tweak entries, exits, stretcher, rigs, everything until I found something that gave me a decent win rate. If I saw it could hit like a 40 to 50% win rate with a 1 to 2 risk to reward, I'll go all in on that. I'll forward test it in the real market. That's literally how I built my strategy. Not from some course, not from copying someone online, just trial, error, and obsession with simplicity. And honestly, once you have done that, once you know your system works, you stop caring about losing trades. Like genuinely, a loss doesn't shake me anymore. Because I've already seen this play out hundreds of times. I know this thing works in the long run. I've tested it inside out. But here's the thing nobody tells you. Even when you find a strategy that works, you can still end up losing or break even. And that's exactly what happened to me. At first, when I found my strategy, I was so hyped. I thought I cracked the code. My backtest showed solid results and I had a clear 1 to 2 risk to reward. And I was finally confident. But then I started trading it live. Guess what? I wasn't making profits at the end of the day. I was just breaking even. And when I look back, I realized exactly what I was doing wrong. I kept closing trades too early. Every time a trade ran to a profit, I got scared. I thought, what if it reverses? What if I give all this back? So I'll cut the trade for a small win. But guess what? When I backtested, I held every single trade all the way to TP. And yes, some of those trades do reverse and hit stop loss. That's part of the game, right? But most of the time, they go exactly to my TP. So now, taking trades out too early, that's officially on my never again list. Once I take a trade, I don't watch it anymore. I either go gaming, go outside, edit videos, or whatever. I just wait for the notification. TP or stop loss, that's it. Because if you have backtested it enough and you trust your system, your job is to let the edge play out. I know some of us want that big risk to reward, 1 to 5, 1 to 7, and even 1 to 10. And yeah, I get it. Those trades look sassy. But trust me, that does not happen very often. Maybe once a month if you're lucky. In the process, you're gonna hit your stop loss over and over again. Like imagine taking 15 losses in a row, waiting for that one massive big risk to reward trade. Your psychology is gonna be wrecked. You start second guessing everything, you stop following your plan, you revenge trade, you trick your entry, You chase that next candle because you're desperate to finally win. You tell yourself, just one win and I'll cover all of those losses back. And that's exactly how traders blow accounts. Not from being wrong, but from not handling losing streaks properly. For me, I'm not smart enough to go for those wild risk to reward trade. I'm just okay with my 1 to 2 risk to reward. It's boring, it's simple, but it works. That 1 to 2 has been the most consistent, reliable way that I found to be profitable in the long term. If you're tired of overcomplicating things and you want to join a group of traders who are keeping it simple and consistent, I just launched a free Discord group. No fluff, no fake fussing, just traders helping each other get better. Links in the description. And if this video helped you even a little bit, drop a like and subscribe button. See you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.